I'm bored. Wolfie, you're always bored.
Oh, hey guys, what's up?
Oh no, no, Blue, we're just enjoying these last few days of whatever time we have left for some of us have to go back to boring old school. Yeah, here. What the hell was that? No. Blue, do you get the hiccup? No. Oh god, this is so annoying. Okay, Blue, we're gonna try and get rid of those hiccups, okay? It's something to be ashamed of. Just wait. I'm not afraid. Okay, I'll tell you. Well, when hiccups, it's not really a good sign. What do you mean? First, we hiccup. And then you what? We explode, okay? Wait, explode? You mean blow up? Like a bomb? Well, yes, we blow up like a bomb. I'll call the doctor. 2 minutes later. Okay, guys, I got my communicator out, and I'm calling 911 right now. 911, what's your emergency? Hi, we have an inkling with a bad case of the hiccups. Say that again? We have an inkling has the hiccups. Oh no! You guys are screwed! Ah! Well, that worked out perfectly. Well, R.I.P. Blue. Oh, come on, seriously? Don't say that, Wolfie. We gotta find a way to get rid of these hiccups. I know. Try and hold your breath, bro. Why the hell would I do that? Well, it works when you get rid of hiccups. Okay. Wait, how long does he have to do this for? Just another hour or two. Did it work? Damn it. Hi, what the hell's going on here? I'm trying to get some rest over here. Oh, hey Paul, we're just trying to help Blue get rid of hiccups because if we don't get rid of hiccups, we're all gonna die and explode. Oh, Blue got hiccups? Yeah. Well, why not give him some water? What? Yeah, water usually helps. Hang on. What the hell are you? Down the hatch! Chug, chug, chug! Dude, what the hell? Hey, are your hiccups gone? Damn it. Hi, guys! Hi, copper. So what are you guys doing? I'm about to tell Blue trying to get rid of the hiccup. Oh, you got hiccups? I know how to get rid of them. What? Hey! Dude, what do you do? Why am I upside down? Well, I read about it. If you keep your head upside down, the hiccups will go away. Okay. Hey, my head's starting to feel lighter. That must be a good sign. Yeah, I do it all the time. Wait, what? Okay, but the hiccup's gone. Oh man, I thought that would work. Ugh. Well, what now, guys? Yeah, what now, Paul? I got an idea. So, Paul Donkey, what do you want me to do again? I'm kind of confused. Well, I'm glad you asked, right? You see, I tie plastic string around you and Blue, and so I'm gonna have you jump off the couch. So the force of the fear will make Blue lose his hiccup. What? But what if I actually die, Donkey? Yeah, and by extension, me. Oh, you two aren't gonna die because there's a pillow down there. That's an awfully long fall, Paul. It's gonna work, Sly. So sorry, you in? Fine, Donkey, but you're doing me big time. Cannonball, mommy! Ow. Did it work? Donkey, I missed the pillow. But his Blue hiccup's gone. Damn it, I thought the whole sweat thing would work. Well, at least we tried. Oh man, this is it. I'm going to die. No, you're not gonna die, Blue, because it's time for the final step. The most scariest thing I can ever think of. What? What is it? Hang on, let me turn on the TV real quick. Hang on, this is gonna take a while. Oh, there he is. Hey guys, wanna watch Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 when this is all over? Sir? Dang it. Go away! Never mind. Hang on. Paul, what are you doing? What? There it is. Paul, what? What are you? The emoji movie!
psychopath! What's the emoji movie?
Well, see, Blue, we're gonna watch the emoji movies because it might scare you out of the hiccups. That was cringe.
Will this work? Maybe, but Paul, why this movie? It sucks! Oh, come on, Wolfie. It can't be that bad.
1 hour later.
Why? Why? No more. No more. No more. I don't get it. Wait, it didn't work? Was that?
Yeah, I mean, it was cringe, dude. You didn't cringe?
I don't understand most of half of it. So, was it good?
Why y'all look at me like that?
You're not goddamn human, Blue.
That's it. We're done. That was the last thing. Well, I can't do any more now, Blue.
So wait, I'm going to die?
I'm afraid so, Blue. Well, time to make the most of this.
Blue, what are you doing?
Well, before I came to you guys, I had to request someone be playing this game.
Wait, what game?
Holy crap! I just pooped myself. I pooped myself like 10 times, donkey.
Ew.
Oh, that was so scary. Wait. Guys, I'm not hiccuping anymore. Wait, you're not hiccuping anymore? No, I guess getting jump scared might kill my hiccup.
Well, maybe because you get scared easily, dude. Hey, I don't get scared easily.
Well, that ends that adventure, and absolutely nothing bad happened. Oh, crap.